Hello children, I have again come up with another video for class 9. Chapter's name is factorization, and today we will do factorization by using the formula a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. Last time we did factorization by using the formula middle term splitting, but today we will do by using the formula a square minus b square. Let us come to example 1. Example 1, the question is factorize 9z square minus 64. Now the main target in this chapter should be how can we bring square at the top. So here you can see 9 can become square of 3 and z had a square, so already here also we can see square. That means 9z square I made it 3z whole square, and 64 I made it 8 whole square because 8 square is 64. And now you can see it has become a formula. Now you see here we have square at the top and the formula also has got square at the top. If this formula can become a plus b into a minus b, who is a here? Here a is 3z. Who is b here? 8 is b here. So a plus b into a minus b means 3z plus 8 into 3z minus 8. So this was a very simple example. Now little bit different example. Now you can see same factorize, but the question is 8 minus 50 y square z square. But you can see 8 doesn't become square of any number. But what we should do here in this question, we have to take common. So let us take common. What is common between 8 and 50? Then we can say in this both number 2 is common. If you take 2 common, then inside we can have as 2 4s are 8, so it becomes 4, and 2 25s are 50. So 50 became 25 and 8 became 4 when we took 2 common, and y square z square they remain same. Now you can see again 4 can become square of 2 and 25 can become square of 5. So now again we can convert this particular bracket numbers expressions as a formula. So 2 as usual outside, but whenever we take common, second bracket comes into existence, because when we use first bracket inside, the outside bracket should be second bracket. So here second bracket comes in the existence, and here 4 becomes 2 whole square and 25y square z square becomes 5yz whole square, and finally again this is a and this is b. So a plus b into a minus b means 2 plus 5yz into 2 minus 5yz, and 2 as usual it is outside. Again the example 3, little bit different here, as we need square here but we are having power 5. But what we saw here, xy is common in both the expression. When we take xy common, then we got here y power 4 minus x power 4, but we need square. So what we did, 4 we broke into 2 numbers. So 2 remains inside, the other 2 goes outside, that is square. So 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. Again we can see here that this is a formula of a square minus b square. How? Y square is a, x square is b. So a square minus b square. That means y square here is a and x square here is b, and xy is common. So xy we keep it outside, so we write a plus b into a minus b, but we here write y square plus x square into y square minus x square. But this again becomes further a formula of a square minus b square. So who is a here? Y. Who is b here? X. So y plus x into y minus x. So these 3 different examples of little bit different from each other but very easy, they are interconnected. So now you please solve these questions, please factorize these questions, and for every question I have given hint on the right hand side. Very easy questions children. Please try to solve and please send it in my WhatsApp number. Thank you.